Worth mentioning, the Oakley kitchen sink backpack does come in eco-friendly packaging, but as you can see, it's kind of like a paper material, so to save you guys the hassle of listening to that noise of it unpacking, I'm going to show you guys the one that I already unboxed right over here. So we're looking at the Oakley kitchen sink in Tiger Mountain camo. I've got it leaned up against a pretty heavy cardboard box right now because this is a very large bag. It's going to measure 51 centimeters tall, 20 centimeters deep, and 36 centimeters wide. That's going to give it a 34-liter volume, which gives you quite a few places to put stuff in this backpack. I did mention it's about as full-featured as it gets and about as secure as you're going to get for a backpack as well. First things worth noticing on the outside is that everything is pretty much double secured. So you've got this top zip compartment here, but that's going to be secured by double carabiner clips. So you don't really have to worry about something falling out or that popping open, or worst case scenario, somebody snagging something from you. So as well as the dual clips here, you're going to have 3 on either side hook and loop closures, and that's going to be good for, anything from holding wet clothes, water bottles, or just attaching other D-rings to it. You also have the 3 D-ring attachments in the front. Those are going to be metal reinforced as well. So you can really hang a lot of stuff off of this bag externally, and that's not even really starting on the internal 34-liter volume. While we're on the outside of the bag, also worth pointing out, at the very top here, you're going to have a valuables pocket. So pretty much as big of a valuables pocket as I have seen that's not an actual laptop compartment. You can see I can fit my whole hand in there and then some. That would be good for your headphones, your tablet, your iPhone, just really anything you'd like easy access to, but also needs to remain safe while you're out on the trail. Underneath the 2 carabiner clips on the outside, first of all, you're going to notice that the top strap, the whole ring around the outside, is a steel reinforced cable. You can see that on the inside, the ends of it, and those are going into metal rivets, so giving you a lot of carry weight capacity on these guys. You're not going to have to worry about your webbing or polyester ripping if you are hanging stuff off of your bag, if you're hanging your bag off of a tree. Really, it's a very sturdy top compartment. Before we open the main compartment, we'll pop open the front. This is where you've got your basically toolbox in a bag. Multiple skinny compartments here. They're also hardened and reinforced, so you could stick your screwdrivers, flashlights, multi-tools, good for a cell phone. And then on the outside of that, you also have extra capacity for your odds and ends. So that is external, but also protected by the 2 carabiner clips. So good, safe place to keep your tools. Finally, on the main compartment, a couple things to show you. On the top here, you're going to have the hook and loop closure for a 17-inch padded laptop pocket. So it's going to be reinforced on the back side and on the front side. Pretty thick padding. It's going to keep any valuables like your tablet, your laptop, that kind of stuff safe, and safe from being banged around from the rest of the backpack, which, as I've showed you, is pretty sturdy and heavy. Last thing worth showing you is it's got a really big main compartment, like I had mentioned before, the 34-liter volume. But the next part of it, let me zip it up real quick and lean it, is that middle compartment goes all the way down to the bottom, where this bottom compartment can unzip, and you can either have an extended middle compartment if you're carrying lots of clothes or something like that, or you can store stuff in your reinforced bottom compartment. So that's it. It's got about as many clips, hooks, and straps as you could imagine for a backpack. The backside's going to have the mesh, breathable, padded shoulder straps, well as a chest strap and a waist strap. Again, this is the Oakley Kitchen Sink Backpack in Tiger Mountain Camo. You can find yours at Surfboards.com.